Can you please introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Michaela, and I'm a first-year architecture major.
Have you heard of the Big Pharma conspiracy theory?
I have.
Okay, and what are your opinions on it? Do you believe it?
Yes, I do. I believe that they do have the cure to cancer. I believe for the government, like, if it's not profitable for them financially, then, like, what's the point? Like, I really don't think they care about us that much. And I believe that, like, again, with overpopulation, I believe if there's a way to control that under our noses and they don't let us know about it, then it's just beneficial for everybody, is what they're thinking, but it's really not.
Please introduce yourself.
My name is Yancy, and I'm a second-year pre-med student.
Have you heard of the Big Pharma conspiracy theory?
No, I have not.
So basically, it's a conspiracy theory saying that big pharma companies are profiting off of the public and giving out medication or prescription medication that instead of treating illnesses or curing illnesses, just treats the symptoms. And also that they have the cure for cancer and do not want to give it out because it's not patentable and are profitable.
Okay, I completely agree with that.
Okay, which part of it?
All of it. I feel as if though that I feel like the government does have the cure to cancer, but it's just controlling the population. As you know, like, America is becoming overpopulated, and survival of the fittest.
Hi, Spencer.
Hey.
Have you heard about the Big Pharma conspiracy theory?
Yeah, I have.
All right, cool. What have you heard about it?
I know the basic gist is that there is a cure for cancer and that the pharmaceutical companies are hiding it in turn that they will get more funding for cancer research and make them more profitable.
All right, cool. What's your opinion on that?
If it comes out, I'm not going to be surprised. In a way, it's like if someone brings it up, it's kind of like, as I know my friend's dad worked on cancer research, and I wouldn't be like, yeah, they had the cure for cancer and they're just hiding it, because that'd be kind of insensitive to all the work he's done. But yeah, it's possible, I'm sure.
Do you believe it to be true or no? Hi, Elizabeth.
Hi, Declan.
Have you heard of the Big Pharma conspiracy theory?
I've heard a little bit about it, but I don't know very much about it.
Okay, so the conspiracy theory is mostly saying that pharmaceutical companies are like hiding the cure to cancer and selling other drugs that will treat rather than cure in order to keep their business more profitable. So what are your opinions on that?
I wouldn't put it past them, seeing as the capitalist society that we have, everyone's about making money and just always making more and more money. And one of the reasons why we don't have universal health care or anything like that is because everyone just wants more money from the healthcare system.
Do you think they could be hiding the cure to cancer?
Yes, I believe so.
Hi, James. Have you heard of the Big Pharma conspiracy theory?
I have heard that, yes.
All right, cool. What have you heard about it, and what are some of your opinions on it?
I heard that people are curious if big pharmaceutical companies have been withholding information, driving up their profits to control. So basically, they're controlling what research and pharmaceutical products that they're releasing on the market. So with that control, they're able to kind of dictate what the market does a little bit. So, yeah, does that answer your question?
Yeah. Do you think these theories can be true? Do you think
For me, I think it comes down to what is the human condition? Are we good people at heart, or are we self-serving people at heart? So my guess, if I had to venture a guess, I would say that it's probably both. There's probably people that are in positions of power that are out for their own self-interest. And probably there's research and products that are withheld from the market for different reasons. But at the end of the day, it's probably self-serving. That being said, there's also a lot of good people in this world, so I would have to say that there are leaders in the industry, I would imagine, I'd like to hope, that are doing, quote, the right thing. You know, if there's scientific evidence or there's drugs that could, you know, provide healing capacity, I would like to think that they would be out there. So my answer is probably a little bit of both. I think the real question is, on what side does the coin, you know, is it more altruism or is it more kind of greed? I don't know.
Hi, Chris. I mean, Anonymous.
Hey.
So, have you heard about the Big Pharma conspiracy theory?
Yeah, I have.
What have you heard about it?
I heard that Canada is hiding the cure from cancer from us. Something like that.
All right, cool. Do you think this is true or no?
Well, of course, I know the Jewish people have the cure. They just won't give it to us. They won't.
Okay. Thank you. Any final words?